What if I say that while you watch an advertisement in which your favorite actor is being featured, where he talks about a famous location near your place? Sounds interesting, right? This has already been done by Zomato, for which they got into trouble. And Zomato created that advertisement with the usage of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which actually created the problem in the first place. Watch this video till then because it's going to be really interesting and you're going to learn a lot of things on how AI and ML is being used for advertisements and what are the two sides of technology. Subscribe if you haven't done and also share this video with your friends. So let's go. So recently Zomato had created an advertisement in which Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan was featured, where he was a commando and was on a mission with his teammates. So the whole concept of the advertisement was a Zomato delivery guy delivering some food to the commander of that particular team, in which the commander was Hrithik Roshan himself. He asked his teammates to open the door of their van and suddenly his teammates will be like, who ordered this food? And Hrithik Roshan will be like, I ordered it and I ordered from this place, from this location. So in that ad, Hrithik Roshan will say a famous dish from a famous restaurant based on from where the person is actually watching the ad. Now, the person who is watching that advertisement will be shocked, right? Whoa, Hrithik Roshan actually knows a place near my location. So this is a beautiful integration of AI, ML with usage of deepfake technology to an advertisement. And because of this advertisement, Zomato had got into a problem. But this is not the first time where AI and ML is being used for an advertisement. In fact, previous year for Diwali, Cadbury had used AI and ML to create an advertisement which featured Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan. That advertisement was quite different when compared to Zomato, what they have created right now, in which Shah Rukh Khan would refer or recommend to a footwear shop near your location if you're watching from that location. So if you were a shop owner, you can also make Shah Rukh Khan to say your shop's name through that ad by going and filling details in Cadbury's website. And that is also a positive way of integrating AI into an advertisement. And with that advertisement, they also achieved promoting Cadbury as a chocolate and also promoting many other shops in and around India. But in the case of Zomato, it was quite different. As I said, Hrithik Roshan will talk about a famous dish in a famous city, right? All the data is being derived from a database by artificial intelligence. So there is a temple city called as Ujjain here in India, where there's a temple called as Mahakal temple, in which they offered thali as a sacred offering. Now, one of the versions that was created for that city featured Hrithik Roshan, where he was talking about mahakal se thali mangwali, which means that I bought the thali from Mahakal.
थाली का मन किया उज्जैन में तो महाकाल से मंगा लिया.
So the problem was exactly there, where the priests of Mahakali temple got offended because they thought that Hrithik Roshan was actually making fun of the Mahakali temple and its sacred offering of thali, where in reality the AI was actually referring to a restaurant named after the temple, which is called as Mahakal temple, where thali was pretty popular. So just because of the small mistake or small misunderstanding, Zomato got into a really big problem and ended up asking sorry for what it had done because of the AI and machine learning technology it used. Basically, it used deepfake technology to create a location-based type of ads. Now, the actual reason behind making this video is to make you guys understand the two sides of technology. If Zomato wouldn't have used AI or ML to create this advertisement, it would have been practically impossible for them to create an ad with hundreds of locations' name in it. This is not the first time where AI has created a lot of problem. In fact, in the past, people have created a lot of realistic looking fake videos of people like Mark Zuckerberg or Donald Trump to create some problems and to spread misinformation. So always keep in mind that whenever you come across a video or photo on social media, take time to verify the authenticity of it and also make sure that it is actually true by checking many other sources, because you're just inches away for getting fooled.